After watching TV series Game of Thrones, I'm very impressed by the image of the wolf. Wolf is appear on the flag of one of the strongest house in that movie. Wolf is a member of Kennedy, so it quite looks like a dog. There are some species of wolf such as gray wolf, the most familiar, red wolf, Indian wolf, and so on. Wolf's habitat is spread out around the world from the forest to the mountains. Because of being a carnivore, it is always a threat to other animals. Some people said it is a perfect assassin. With its wisdom and hunting skills, it's even more dangerous than lion or tiger. Despite that, wolf represents courage, organizational spirit, disciplined strategy, and that's the reason why wolf is my favorite animal.